Hello and welcome to this tutorial on manipulating shapes. I'm going to show you different methods using the direct selection tools and the selection tool. So let's just start off by making a few shapes. Change that to a different color. Right, so you can manipulate shapes with using these points. So these are called pull handles, similar to the pen tool function in the earlier tutorial. So you can start forming shapes like so. You can start to see how that already starts to kind of look like a cat, for instance. This is a really nice way to do your illustrations and cartoons, etc. Is to actually manipulate shapes. You adapt your circle, same thing with the pen tool. You can bring those in and out. All four at the same time if I don't directly select it. And also, your direct selection really plays around with the points. So you can minus the points. Oops, sorry, that was your pen. So you can use the pen actually by minusing and plussing anchor points. So that those points are called anchor points. It just gives you another point to manipulate the shape from. So now it's there. I can pull that there. But try to keep them as simple as possible. Yep, and then sometimes you don't have to click Alt to start curving that, but sometimes you do. So just be wary of that. So you can start to do some really creative things with shapes, with anchor points, with the direct selection tool. So very quick and basic, but it's another way to create your artworks.